In a major setback for Spicejet Airline, Spicejet versus Kalanithi Maran arbitration case, after failing to pay rupees 75 crore, now Supreme Court orders that the entire arbitral amount has to be paid by airline to Mr. Maran. Maran, who is claiming the outstanding arbitral amount of rupees 380 crore. And earlier order mentioned that 75 crore dues has to be paid, and failing which now Supreme Court observed that the entire arbitral amount has to be paid by the airline to Mr. Maran. Supreme Court also observed that the message must go that business must be carried out with commercial morality, because the last order the airline failed to comply with that order. In addition to this, the Supreme Court also refused to grant extension reprimands that the airline failed to pay rupees 75 crore as per the earlier order, and seeking that that sort of development, Supreme Court has not given any extension to the airline. Supreme Court also observed that if the orders are not complied, if it is not being properly followed by the party, then the consequences must be followed, and that's the only way to ensure commercial morality. So that's the stern message that has been given by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has also slammed Spicejet Airline for indulging in luxury litigation. The airline was having a bunch of lawyers, and seeking that this sort of remark was made by Supreme Court that this sort of luxury litigation can't be enjoyed by the airline, because it is quite visible that the airline or Spicejet is having a well-heeled party and the battery of lawyers, and seeking this sort of development. The luxury litigation word was used by Supreme Court. So clearly a setback for Spicejet Airline, but what we are getting to know from the official sources of the airline that the airline will come up with a statement very soon, and that to be reported shortly as well.